Alright guys, it's finally time. The car is going to be rolling 300,000 miles very soon. I got this car on my 19th birthday as my first car in 2017. I've had it for 4 years now. I've driven it pretty much every day to and from work and school and around to go hang out with friends. We've had a lot of good times in here. I'm going to continue to have a lot of good times. I've also driven it out of state a few times, or I've actually driven it out of state many times. It's never given me any issues, any serious issues. Never left me stranded, none of that. I've put, when I got the car, it had 1,000 miles on it, so I've put almost 100,000 on it since I've had it. It's been a great car. I love it. Don't want to get rid of it. I don't want to sell it. It does have a new used engine in it because the old one that was in it before burned lots of oil, but it still ran. I just had to put oil in it every week or so. But that's common with these Toyota 2AZFE engines, so I just put a new one in just because I could. I'm going to quit talking. I'm going to continue driving until it rolls 300,000, and I'll be right back. I'll let you guys see it. All right. Less than a mile to go to get to 300,000. Just driving along here on my way home from work. Any minute now. Any second. There it is. 300,000 glorious miles on the 2004 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you want to see more videos on this car. Like and subscribe and share, all that stuff. Thanks for watching.